Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. Welcome back to another video. We face many problems when we turn on the PC, one of which is the PC not turning on. When you press the power button of the PC, the power button light turn on and off. The processor fan spins intermittently. The PC doesn't turn on. In this situation, we take the PC to the service center. This wastes both time and money. We will see how can we solve this problem very easily. First, we will remove the casing of the PC. The cooling fan is spinning and stopping. We will disconnect the power cable of the PC before touching the motherboard of the PC. We must disconnect the power cable from the power supply. Then we will remove the RAM and clean it with a hand, dry cloth or eraser. If there is one RAM, 1. If there is 2 RAM, 2. We will remove and clean. Then we will reinstall it. Among the many reasons why the PC doesn't turn on, RAM is the main reason. Now we will insert the power cable and press the power button. You will see the PC is turning on. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have benefited, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.